This is the new Hilux Conquest. This version is the 4x2. And guys, before we begin, ito naman lagi intro. Meron kaming trade-in dito. Other brands, tatagap namin for trade-in. Use it as down payment or pwede rin sell only. And just in case meron ka na palang approval, even at other brands, pwede mo i-transfer dito yan. So let's begin this Hilux Conquest 4x2. Let's go! So, before we begin this Conquest, ito nga pala yung Hilux G. Right? So, medyo mas less yung features niya. Pero, syempre, bottom line is depende pa rin sa budget natin. So, ikutan muna natin itong Conquest. Okay? Guys, meron din ako video for this Hilux G. Visit my TikTok and YouTube. Of course. So, ikutan natin to before we go inside. So, yeah. Ito meron tayong added design. Okay? Solid. And look at this headlight. Meron siyang Hilux name. Okay? I hope you can see it. And look at this honeycomb design body color. Yung facade na to, man, iba to sa personal. So, okay. Actually, sa akin, yung unang nakita ko to, iba yung impact sa actual. So, I suggest, guys, schedule it. Advise nyo muna ako before you visit the showroom para ma-check ko muna kung may unit. Para hindi naman masayang punta nyo. And this one is the 360 camera. The Toyota. Yeah. What about this? Is the fog lights. 4 sensors sa front bumper, whereas this Hilux G, 2 sensors lang sa harapan. Pero ang ganda nung color tone design ito. Okay? Pagka-silver niya combined with the black door handles. Right? Nice. The mag size. Look at this. Yan. So, mas malaki yung mga holes niya, whereas compared to this Hilux G. Okay? Mas marami siyang holes, medyo mas maliit. Okay? This one is 17, this is Hilux G. Pero dito sa Conquest natin, ilan nga ba? This one is 18. Okay? Installed with a Bridgestone Dweller. Nice. Look at this. Over fender. 360 lens. 360 camera. Integrated signal light. Black color. Right? Nice. And the black Hilux name. Look at that step board. Rugged. Solid. Black door handles with smart entry button. Guys, hindi gagana yan kung hindi malapit yung susi, of course. And this roll bar. Sports bar, roll bar, parehas lang yan, okay? Yan. Conquest. Yan. Okay. Solid. Yan. Ito yung na-mention ko sa ibang sa Hilux G. Iba na ang design ng ating taillight. Mas modern yung look niya. And look at this integrated backing camera. Yan. See? Yan. So, integrated siya yun sa body. And binalik na yung ating classic na logo na Toyota. So look at this, meron tong embedded oh. Yan oh. Nakaumbok yan guys Whereas dito sa ating Hilux G, engrave lang siya. Okay, binalikan ko lang yan. Actually, meron akong vlog dyan, just like I mentioned. Pero, look at that. Okay, nakaumbok yan, oh. Kita nyo? Yan. So, meron ding 4 sensors. 1, 2, 3, and 4 sensors. Okay? Nice. Hard plastic. Right? So, I don't have to defend that plastic na yan. Mas maganda rin kasi yan dahil mas lighter. mas makakapag-focus yung engine dun sa mga ikakarga nyo versus sa binubuhat niya yung sarili niya. So, ganyan talaga. Most of the units, yung iba, madalas plastic din talaga. Alright. So, let's open this. So, look at this. Kita nyo siya? So, bumaba siya mag-isa with the help of this hydraulic system. Okay? Plus these wires. Okay? Both sides for this support. And this, yan. Itong system na to, kaya sobrang gaan niya iangat. Okay? Okay, inangat ko siya ng isang kamay. Effortless. Gaan. So, ibababa ko ulit siya. Pakita ko lang. Look at that. Bumababa siya mag-isa. Slowly. So, you don't have to worry na mababagsak nyo siya. Okay? So, dito may mga kabitan pa rin tayo ng mga wires, cable, just in case for your cargo. And look at that, Toyota logo. Nice. Bed liner, of course, being the Conquest. Actually yan, ang dami natin mga bashers na, right? Bottom line, Toyota is Toyota. Ang ini-invest ng mga tao dito is yung serviceability, quality, durability, reliability. Name it, man. Right? Pakita natin ulit yung ating sports bar o roll bar. Solid. Okay? Pero maganda rin sa Hilux G kasi pwede may customize eh. Look at that. Wala siyang roll bar. Okay? Yeah. Let's take another look at this facade, man. We call it Cyber Sumo look. It's modern design. Boom. Yan. So that's the design ng door panel. Driver's side. Leather finish. Another leather finish. Okay. Plastic. Actually, same dito sa Hilux G, ah. Same design. Right? Cursor control, hindi na sa joystick. Pero meron siyang auto, ah. So, the auto mode, sa Hilux G, walang auto mode. Itong auto mode na to, kapag nilalak mo tong unit, is mag-auto fold itong ating side mirrors. Okay? So, central lock ng doors, selector ng adjustment ng mirrors. Okay, 4 panel na windows. Central lock ng window. Solid. 1 cup holder extended for your files. Okay. Power seat adjust. Nice. So yan. Ito yung mid. Ito yung sandalan. Ito yung sa upuan mo. Move forward, backward, or lift. Powered. Teka, let's check yung passenger sa harap kung power nga ba. So guys, hindi power ang ating seat adjustment for the passenger. Right? Hold up. So this is the 360 camera button. Okay? Auto high beam dahil nga may sensor to. Meron tong combination ng mga Toyota Safety Sense. Parking sensor dahil meron tong added sensors even at the back. Even at the front bumper. Kita nyo kanina, 4 yung sensors niya sa front bumper. Open ang gas, open ang hood. Okay. One touch cup holder. Right? So ito yung design ng aircon vent niya. Oh. Meron tayong hawakan dito. Another one here. Right, let's go. So ito yung na-mention ko. Pwede nyo tignan yung vlog ko na Prado. Kamukha nitong manibela. So ito na siguro ang magiging new look sa mga generation ng Toyota. So meron tong dynamic cruise control. When we say dynamic cruise control, yan yung sumusunod dun sa vehicle in front of you. So sa Hilux G, yan naka-display sa amin. Standard cruise control only. So ito yung cruise control buttons niya. So, meron din siyang lane departure monitoring this button. Nakita nyo? Okay? Just in case nawawala ka sa lane, i-remind ka niya. So, ito yung pang skip natin. Songs. Yan. So, ito yung mode. Shortcut. Whenever gusto mo mag-cycle between AM, FM, or Bluetooth. Piano black finish. Same goes din sa Hilux G. And this one, smooth leather. Ganito rin yung nasa Hilux G. So, itong cursor na to, right? Ito yung pang-navigate natin for the settings. Settings no multi-information display dito. Usually, nandyan yung mga settings nitong vehicle. Right? So, the volume control, ganito rin yung nasa LCFJ. Eh, oh. Yan. Voice command, back button, answer call. Nice. Ganda ng texture niya. Right? So, guys, mas malaki itong MID natin. Right? I have to apologize. Bawal ko i-start tong unit kapag nasa showroom. Right? Then, itong monitor natin. This one, ang laki. Malayo yung size niya versus dun sa Hilux G. Okay? And look at that. Yan. Halos dalawa kamay. Pero dun sa Hilux G, halos isang kamay lang siya ng konti. Okay? So, mas malaki yung mga screens natin. Especially, meron tong Toyota Safety Sense with this sensor integrated sa ating windshield. Okay? So, by the way, ito, excuse me, tingin ko this one is electrochromic na. So, nag-automatic yan each time na sisilawin ka ng kotse mo sa likod. So, itong look na to, itong design na to, iba. Iba to versus the Hilux G. So, isa-isay natin. Automax for the aircon blower. Off button, front defogger, rear defogger, thermostat control. Synchronize in thermostat. Then circulation, whether outside or inside the cabin only. Then on and off for the thermostat. Piano black finish design, glossy. Yan. Push start button. Kita nyo? Yan. Nice. And then, same goes, ganito rin sa Hilux G. So, meron tayong input dito for the multimedia. Just in case you want to connect Apple CarPlay, ganyan. Or pwede rin power supply. By the way, itong Conquest is wireless. Wireless connectivity for the Apple and Android. So, meron tayong power supply, also a Type-C. Ang drive modes natin for the Eco, mas matipid sa gas. Just the normal mode or the sports mode. Mas aggressive yung makina niyan. Traction button. And guys, if you're wondering about this, meron din na sa Hilux G. Just in case, in the future, gusto mo i-upgrade tong Hilux mo. Pwede mo ilagay dito yung mga upgrade buttons. So, meron tayong small pocket para dito. Maybe coins. Wireless charger. Right? Auto hold. And handbrake. Guys, dito, unfortunately, in my opinion, electronic na yung handbrake. So, hindi na nila ni-retain dito yung classic handbrake. Para sa akin, opinion ko, mas gusto ko yun. Dahil wala nang tingin-tingin dito, just grab that handbrake. Diba? So, ito yung na-mention ko, nakamukha ng Land Cruiser na shift knob. Right? So, you have to push this. You have to push this every time you switch between this park, reverse, neutral, and drive. So, meron tayong plus minus the Tiptronic. Pero wala tong paddle shifter. Right? Leather design. 2 cup holders. Whereas dun sa Hilux G, isang cup holder lang. Mainly because naharang siya ng handbrake. And iba rin tong design nitong center pocket versus dun sa Hilux G. Okay? Meron tayong power supply ito. Yung classic, yung lighter. Kita nyo ba? Yan Okay? Kita nyo Right? That's the center pocket. And aside from this, okay, this one is this detachable. Right? Nice. Ayan. Mas maluwag siya pag dinetach nyo. Okay? Pero mainly, yan, Hilux Word. 2 cup holder. So, ang seats nitong Conquest is leather. Yan. Full leather. Whereas dun Hilux G is fabric. Right? So, yan. Meron siyang mga small holes. So. Pero wala siyang seat ventilation. Pero ang ganda ng pagkakadesign. Okay? Light gray stitching. Yan. Okay? Full leather. Hear that? Yan. So, same design for the what? Same design ang door panel natin. Okay? Then, yan. So, meron tayong cool box. Ito yung na-mention kong cool box kasi dumadaan yung aircon there. Yan. Sana nakikita niya. May aircon vent dyan para lumamig din whatever man yung ilalagay ni dito. Whereas dun sa Hilux G, wala siyang cool box. Pero meron siyang lagayan dito So, dalawa pa rin yung glove compartment mo for the Hilux G. Yun nga lang, di nadadaanan ng lamig. Okay. So, another cup holder dito sa passenger. Okay. It's the aircon vent. Right? Nice. So, ito may leather finish siya. Yan, smooth. Ayan, pakinggan nyo. Okay. Ito, plastic. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Let's take another look at the dashboard. And going at the headliner, yan. Meron tayong mirror for the passenger. Yan, makeup na makeup tayo. Walang katapusang makeup, guys. Okay, so ito naman ang ating design ng front cabin light. Meron siyang door function, okay? Yan, para sa mga hindi may alam nitong door function, just in case ito yung first car nyo, Hilux, 'di ba? Ang door function is iilaw to mga lights na to whenever merong ilaw, meron palang door na naka-open. Just to remind you guys. Okay, meron pa rin itong lagayan ng salamin. Yan. Okay. So what about here? Yun. Wala tayong mirror dito guys sa driver's side. Pero meron tayong handle dito. And also handle here. Yan. Right? So guys, mukhang may titingin ng ating Conquest showroom display. Sir, check nyo sir. So guys, ito yung second row door panel. Right? Ito, leather design. Right? Same goes with the Hilux G, ganun din. Plastic, one handle dito. Okay? Window control. Speaker. Cup holder extended. And guys, itong Conquest is meron kang second row aircon vent. Yan, okay. Still, meron tong power supply na dalawang type C. Okay, dun sa Hilux G kasi, lagayan na ng phone yun eh. Wala siyang aircon vent. Pero ito, meron tayong second row aircon vent. Okay. Meron tayong sabitan dito. Okay, yan. Maraming mga bags din. Meron ding, yan, sabitan. Okay. Then leather, of course. And meron tayong armrest with dalawang cup holder. Nice. Tatlo ang ating headrest. Nice. Ganda. So, yeah. Yan yung ating second row. Solid. Guys, as the Hilux Conquest, new generation, new look. Just in case meron kayong trade-in, pwede niyang gamitin as down payment. Most brands tinatanggap namin pero not all the brands. Right? So just in case meron ka na palang approval sa ibang brand, kahit same Toyota, transfer mo dito yan. Guys, visit my TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. That's it. Bye!